that hits like a tool on a pig.
On a pig.
On a pig.
Like the animal or the peg?
So you have a tool
Okay,
and it hits on a pig. Yeah.
So on the animal pig.
Yeah, so if, let's say there's a pig over here.
A tool.
And a tool hits the pig. And the verb is that hits like a tool on a pig.
Yeah, it fits. So like, if you see something and it matches really good, then like a tool on the pig, or maybe like we also have something in German like wie die Faust aufs Auge, like.
Actually, you're saying the exact opposite of what it means. Exact opposite.
Okay, sorry.
I was leaning towards that way because I was like tool and pigs.
Yeah. Okay, so when something makes no sense.
Okay, it's a tool on a pig.
Ja, dat slaat de tang op een varken.
Tong on the varken.
Ja. Ja.
Op de varken.